What's up guys? So, Google has already made the Pixel 6 official. A few days ago, they revealed how it looks, and some of its features, but still, there's plenty of info about the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro that we don't know. Google will keep a dedicated launch event on September 30th to reveal every last bit of info, but if you don't want to wait that long, then I have some more interesting stuff to talk about the Pixel 6. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, along with iPhone 13, Google Pixel 6 series is one of the most awaited smartphone launches of the year. Reports in the past have detailed a number of key features that are expected to be a part of the upcoming Pixel 6 series. So, the list includes the Pixel 6 Pro getting a triple rear camera setup, a 5000 mAh battery, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of storage space. So, Google has confirmed that its upcoming Pixel 6 series will be backed by its in-house Tensor Chip. Now, the company has officially teased its Pixel 6 series smartphones, and giving us a glimpse of what we should expect when it launches, and leaving the rest to the imagination. Anyway, let's talk about its camera. The Android 12 Beta 4 version was released yesterday, and the Google Camera app has a hidden surprise. It reveals what camera sensor Google has opted to use in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So, this user has discovered a string titled GN1 Wide P21 in the Google Camera app on the Pixel phone, which suggests the main wide-angle camera of Google 2021 Pixel flagships will be a Samsung 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN1 image sensor. For some reason, Google has opted to use GN1 sensor instead of the GN2 found on Mi 11 Ultra, which is the second biggest smartphone camera sensor. But GN1 is still massive, at 1 by 1.31 inches, which is 3 times bigger than Sony IMX363 image sensor for the last few generations of Pixel phones. Now speaking about the Tensor Chip, Galaxy Club has found out that the Tensor Chip is actually Samsung's unreleased Exynos 9855. The Exynos 2100 on the Galaxy S21 has a Codename Exynos 9840. So given that the two numbers are similar, it's possible the Tensor processor will offer similar performance to the Galaxy S21 when it launches later this year. So, Samsung isn't just manufacturing the Tensor Chip, they are also involved in the development. Not only that, Google will use Samsung's Exynos 5G modem for the Pixel 6, which is interesting because Samsung themselves use Qualcomm's 5G modem in the US market for their flagships, for some reason. Anyway, a lot of Pixel 5 users complained that the speaker quality isn't good. It uses an under-display earpiece speaker, which is impressive, but it doesn't get very loud. And if you use a case then the audio gets muffled. But that's not going to be an issue with the Pixel 6, because Google has ditched this under-display speaker in favor of the conventional one, as we can see a cutout on top of the phone for the earpiece speaker, which is surely music to super fan ears. Moreover, there is a difference in the color scheme of the two phones as well. The Pixel 6 Pro features a lighter metallic chassis that changes based on the color, and it will be available in peach yellow, gray silver and gray black color variants. On the other hand, the Pixel 6 comes with a black-colored chassis for all three variants. That is a reminder of the older Pixel phones, and it will be available in red pink, green blue, and gray black color variants. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow found this video interesting, sub to the channel will make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.